We came to the UTRGV Manufacturing Expo. It was an expo for STEM students. We learned a lot about manufacturing and the different jobs it has to offer. We also had presenters from different labs and kind of explained to us what they do. We got to see the Dragonfly 3D printer and we learned a little bit of how it works. We also got to fly drones, which I thought was an amazing experience since I've never really flown a drone before. But it was just really fun to learn the mechanics of the controls.
I have an idea of what I would like to do. Probably civil engineering, probably mechanical engineering. But that's why I came here, because I wanted to learn way more about manufacturing and if I really want to do that in the future. I would probably like to do civil engineering because it's most closely related to architecture, because I mean you look for the safety of structures, of skyscrapers and stuff like that. My dad wanted to study architecture, but he didn't have the opportunity to study that. My father would be very happy if he sees that I study something related to what he wanted to do before, and very excited to see me pursue that career.
You get a lot of hands-on experience in the college environment with machines, which is something I want to do in the future, hopefully, fingers crossed. I want to pursue any type of engineering, but so far, currently, I want to do electrical because the job is always in demand. Pretty sure we need a lot of people in those fields because I mean, it's what the world runs on.
I am looking at UT Austin. I'm also looking at a school internationally in Japan that they offer mechanical engineering. So I want to do my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and master's in aerospace engineering. And I think it would be a wonderful experience to go international, to learn about the world and how they do things engineering-wise. Manufacturing is very important because we manufacture a lot of goods that we need, and I think it's very important that we have more manufacturing, more engineers to be able to build up our country and even globally show a growth. I would definitely encourage students to definitely look into the STEM field. It's a very high demand, and I think that people should definitely give STEM a try.